Module 4. Deep Learning in Medical Imaging, Unveiling the Invisible. Harnessing Deep Learning for Medical Insight. Chapter 4. Introduction to Neural Networks and Deep Learning. Section 4.1. Illuminating the Path to Deep Understanding. In a realm where medical images reveal intricate anatomical landscapes, a revolution is underway. This chapter ushers us into the world of neural networks and deep learning, a transformational technology that empowers computers to navigate medical images with the finesse of a skilled clinician. Section 4.2. Unraveling the Fabric of Deep Learning. Imagine the human brain's neural connections, each neuron transmitting signals that culminate in understanding. Deep learning mimics this intricate interplay by employing neural networks composed of layers. We journey through the layers, comprehending how they decode intricate features hidden within medical images. Chapter 4.3. Convolutional Neural Networks, CNNs. Section 4.3.1. The Art of Image Interpretation. Picture a masterful painter applying deliberate strokes to bring a canvas to life. Convolutional neural networks, CNNs, echo this artistry, discerning features through convolutional layers. In this section, we unravel the elegance of CNNs and their indispensable role in medical image analysis. Section 4.3.2. Unveiling Layers of Insight. Imagine peeling layers off an onion to reveal its essence. Each convolutional layer in a CNN unravels specific image attributes, such as edges, textures, and patterns. We venture into the depths of these layers, witnessing how they progressively refine medical image interpretation. Chapter 4.4. Applications. Image classification, segmentation, and detection. Section 4.4.1. The Alchemy of Image Classification. Think of sorting a diverse array of gemstones into distinct categories. Deep learning's prowess in image classification mirrors this alchemical process. We delve into how CNNs discern and categorize medical images, facilitating diagnoses ranging from identifying tumors in radiology to detecting anomalies in ophthalmology scans. Section 4.4.2. Illuminating Image Segmentation. Imagine a sculptor meticulously carving a statue from stone. Image segmentation replicates this precision by dissecting medical images into meaningful segments. We unveil how deep learning segmentation capabilities aid in outlining structures and identifying regions of interest in images, such as segmenting organs in radiology or lesions in dermatology. Section 4.4.3. Detecting the Unseen. Consider an attentive sentinel guarding a fortress, alert to the slightest anomaly. Deep learning excels in detection, recognizing irregularities that might elude the human eye. We explore how detection models based on CNNs spotlight abnormalities in medical images, like spotting early signs of diabetic retinopathy in ophthalmology scans. Chapter 4.5. Case Studies. Radiology, Pathology, Ophthalmology. Section 4.5.1. Radiology's Revolution. Imagine a radiologist unraveling mysteries concealed within X-ray shadows. Deep learning joins this pursuit, revolutionizing radiology by swiftly diagnosing fractures, identifying nodules, and even predicting disease progression based on medical images. Section 4.5.2. Pathology's Precision. Picture a pathologist scrutinizing tissue samples for cellular clues. Deep learning amplifies this precision, aiding pathologists in identifying cancerous cells, predicting tumor behavior, and even classifying diseases from histopathology slides. Section 4.5.3. Ophthalmology's Vision. Imagine an ophthalmologist deciphering retinal intricacies with a discerning eye. Deep learning enhances this acumen, diagnosing eye diseases like glaucoma and macular degeneration, and advancing early detection through comprehensive analysis of ophthalmic images. Chapter 4 Conclusion. Empowering Medical Vision. As we conclude this chapter, the transformational capacity of deep learning in medical imaging becomes resoundingly clear. We've witnessed neural networks deciphering images with remarkable acumen, enhancing clinical decision-making across diverse domains. Deep learning isn't merely reshaping medical imaging, it's illuminating a new era where machines act as insightful partners, aiding clinicians in deciphering medical riddles and ensuring a healthier future. In our upcoming chapter, we delve into real-world examples of AI-assisted diagnostics, uncovering how deep learning is being harnessed to transform patient care in radiology, pathology, and ophthalmology. Thanks for watching.